Hey everyone, Jacob with MarineMax Savannah here, and today I've got a 2027 Scout 220 XSF and going to give you a little tour of this boat. We just received it. We've got her here in the showroom and she's looking great. I'm going to start on the transom here. We've got a Pearl Fusion Mercury V6 200. This boat is very well powered, handles great underway. She's got trim tabs for stabilization. Some teak on the swim deck, and then you've also got a freshwater washdown right back there. Go ahead and take you on the boat. I'm going to head up to the bow here. You can see up here you've got some excellent bow seating. These backrests are removable, and you've got cup holders on both sides. Got a nice deep anchor locker as well. And these are so that you can insert a rod into them and you can get a really nice shade that hangs from the T-top right up there. And while I'm right here, I'm going to point out the twin JL audio speakers along with the light up in the T-top. This T-top also has an LED light that spans all the way around the T-top. It looks really nice at night. Scout does a great job with their lighting configuration. Large coffin box right up here. Go ahead and open this up. You can see you've got plenty of space in there. This could be your fish box. This could be cooler storage. You put a plug right in there, keep all the ice in there and whatever else you'd like to put in there. You'll see also that they've brought the windshield all the way to the top of the T-top. This T-top itself is a new configuration. They've got a new design here. They've filled this portion in. They've got grab rails along the top. And then once again, you've got twin JL audio speakers right there and another spotlight right back here. Rod holders at the top. More rod holders on the leaning post. Triple cup holders right there, and cooler storage down below. Go ahead and take you over to the helm. Got a Fusion stereo system, nice Garmin chart plotter, Mercury vessel view, trim tab control, and I'd like to point out this as well. On the Mercury controls, you've got active trim, and you can set it to different profiles, and essentially what that's doing is it's setting the sensitivity of how much you want that motor to automatically trim while you're underway to get the best fuel efficiency and to keep that bow riding right where you want it to. That's probably one of my favorite features on these boats. It makes it very convenient, and if you don't want to use active trim, you can just use your trim controls right here. It automatically bumps it out of active trim, and you can go however you want to and adjust that bow however you'd like. I really like how Scout uses this auxiliary switch panel. Very nice button push right there. I think it looks clean and modern. Go ahead and show you right down in here. Lots of space down below. Battery switch, excuse me, right there. And then you've also got bolstering along the gunnels, which is really nice if you're going to be out all day casting the lines. Very nice to lean up against, and I think it gives the boat a nice appeal in general. You got a live well right back here with the see-through glass. That back seat pulls out just like that. Gives you plenty of seating back here. And then you've also got rod holders along the sides. The 220 XSF replaces the Scout 215 XSF. I think overall they've done a wonderful job with this boat. It's got a lot of nice features, and once again, my name is Jacob from MarineMax Savannah. I look forward to seeing you soon.